Okay, guys, happy week 3. So we are talking about your lesson for the week of September 14th to September 18th. And I just want to walk you through it, just in case anybody needs a repeat after we have live class. So this is simply for you if you're absent or if you just need a refresher. So here's our opening slide. You can find this on Canvas, right? Nothing to do here if you missed school. Online expectations, you should know. This is what we talked about. We talked about our favorite topics in U.S. history. We talked about historical figures. What time periods do you know the most about? And do you think there is a correct version of history? We used Padlet, where people were able to respond. So, none of this is for a grade yet. Then we get into where your assignments are. The big question this week is, what is history? We watched a vocabulary video. And then for a grade, you're going to have to do some work with the lyrics, fill in the blank lyrics. There is a quick article that you need to look at with questions, and then a weekly reflection Flipgrid video. Everything is going to be due on Sunday, September 20th at 11:59 p.m. So you basically have the entire week. And everything will be submitted in Canvas and Flipgrid. So what does that look like? Your vocabulary video is here. We're not going to watch it in this video because we've already watched it in class, and the video is also uploaded independently to Canvas. So if you need to watch the video, you can watch it there. So you'll watch the video. Then you will do your assignment. Now, this is what the assignment looks like on Google Docs. This is just a copy. This is not where you actually do your work. Remember, we're no longer using Google Classroom. We're using Canvas. So this is just the Google Docs copy. You will find your version in Canvas. But you can see here are the lyrics. The yellow is the blank. That is what you will fill in when you do the assignment. So fill in the blank lyrics. You come down here. Here is the article. The article is broken into chunks to make it easier. You have a couple of paragraphs, a question, a couple of paragraphs, a question, a couple of paragraphs, a question, so on and so on. Okay? You will do all of this work in Canvas. So how do you get to Canvas? Well, if you're not sure, you can Google PPS Student Portal. Pulls it up right here. And this is what you should have access to. This is your Google Meets. Here's Canvas. You select it. And you will sign in, just as you would. Now, mine is going to look a little different compared to yours, my Canvas is. So let's go to my Canvas, US Studies. I can do a quick student view. And this is what you should see. You can see announcements. You can see the modules. This is where you're going to go for your lessons. You can see the syllabus. Tells you a little bit about me, my teaching style, topics that we talk about, daily work. Keep in mind, a lot of this is when we are in person school. So it's kind of different for online school, right? Grades, assignments, quizzes, things like that. Leave student view. So you will go to modules and you can see week 3. This is the week that we are currently in, September 14th to September 18th. And you can see that there are 5 things there, right? Start here, watch this, do this third, fourth, and fifth in order very clearly, right? And most of this is what I already talked about, right? So you click that if you need to review the lesson slides. You click here if you need to watch the vocabulary video again. You click here if you want to just look at the assignment. Again, this is just a copy, as it says. You do not turn this preview in. And here is what you turn in, these last two things. And it says full assignment turned in for a grade. Do this fourth. It says quiz. It's not really a quiz. There are 16 questions. And it's literally what I was just showing you. So it's the lyrics broken down into questions. So if you kind of look back and forth, right, this, right, is the same thing as this. You have the blank, which is the correct answer. You only have two options, 50-50. Watch the lyric video and you will figure it out. And so on and so on, right? So there are 12 of these questions from the music video. And then you get to question 13, and it is the reading and response, just like I showed you over here. So this is the exact same stuff. So you read, and then you answer the question. You have 4 options. And this is for question 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay? And that's it. And you have unlimited time. There's no time limit. You can actually do the assignment twice. If you're not happy with the results the first time, you can go back in and do it again. Welcome to work together with this. That's totally fine. All right. And then the last thing that you need to do is your weekly reflections on Flipgrid. And here you have your links to your periods. And this is what it looks like. So it says, we spent the week learning how and why we study history. We used Padlet, we watched a music video, we read some lyrics, read an article, and checked our learning with some questions. How are you feeling at the end of this week? This is your time to share and reflect. Here are some questions to think about. You don't have to answer all of them. So, number 1, what did you learn? Number 2, where did you feel successful? Keep in mind, it could be a different class. What was your favorite part of the week? What was your least favorite part of the week? And is there anything else I should know? You are welcome to, just speak your mind here. I would love to learn or love to hear what you think about class so far. Padlet, vocabulary, Flipgrid, the different things that we're using, Canvas. Tell me if it makes sense. Tell me if it's confusing. Tell me if it's overwhelming. Tell me if you need more help. Tell me if you feel really comfortable. Tell me if you think it's easy. Tell me what you had for lunch. I don't know, right? Be yourself and speak your mind. Okay? I think that is everything. We looked at the slides. We looked at the video. We previewed the assignment. We talked about Flipgrid. I showed you how to go to PPS student portals and Canvas. And I walked you through our Canvas modules for the week. Another thing, when you look at the homepage, you can see coming up, and you can see actually it tells you the assignment, and you can see how many points it's worth, and you can see that it's due September 20th at 11:59 p.m. All right. Email me if you have any questions or comments or concerns. I will be here and available. All right. Peace.